Hey guys and girls, it's been a month since I first reviewed the Wig Fix by the Renatural Company. I have worn this product for a month and I'm here to give you an update. First off, I really like this product. What I love most about it is how ultra thin it is, so that you can wear it under whole lace wigs, lace fronts, basic cap wigs. Any type of wig can be worn with this product. It also fits most head sizes. The nubs that are on the product, I think, can cause slight discomfort for people with no hair. If you have biological hair, as I do, now mind you, my hair is thinning. So as you can see, there's there's not a lot of cushion between my scalp and the Wig Fix. So when I position the Wig Fix on my head, if I place it at the hairline, which I would do if I was wearing a basic cap, I will have some indentations on my skin from the nubs. Does it cause a great deal of discomfort? For me, no. This product works, and so if there's a little bit of discomfort, I certainly don't mind that. However, what I do suggest after wearing this for a month is if you do have biological hair, instead of wearing it up at the hairline, especially if you have a lace front wig, what you want to do is actually position it back a little bit. Make sure that it is over your hair. That way you have a little bit of cushion between the little nubs, which helps secure it, and your scalp. This is the Belinda Wig by Envy, one of my favorites. In fact, I wear this wig quite often. Let me just put her on so you can see how I do this. The Wig Fix has been an incredible product. What I like is that it secures the wig to your head. You don't need glue, you don't need adhesives, and that in itself saves a little bit of time. It certainly is convenient. Why? Well, because if I use the got-to-be glue, it stays, or other adhesives, there's a little bit of cleanup involved. Also, if it's a hot day and you sweat, the adhesives or even the tape may come loose due to perspiration. The wig grip will not come loose. It will not slip if you have some sweating. I wore the wig grip through 90-degree weather. In fact, one day it was 92 degrees where I live. I was outside, I was volunteering at a charity event, and I was outside for like 9 hours. Was I sweating? Yes. Not profusely, but still, I had some sweat along my hairline. The wig grip did not slip, and it was comfortable. Though the wig grip is made of silicone, in 92-degree weather, it was no more hotter to wear than the velvet wig grips, which I have worn for years. So overall, I am still very pleased with this product. I think the trick is finding the correct positioning of this product so that it does its job and is comfortable. If you have any questions about the Wig Fix, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave your questions and comments in the comments section below. I'll also leave a discount code for you to receive a 15% discount off the Wig Fix. I'll leave that below with a link to where you can purchase. Well, thank you so much for watching my Wig Fix update video. Take care. Bye-bye.